Hello and welcome back to the tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to wrap the snake. That means when it goes out of the play area, it comes from the other side. Okay, let's get started. So right click here and create a new group called wrapping snake and hit B button, and here we want to pick snake's head and then copy and paste this event, and is overlapping another object. An object is going to be a spot, and I'm gonna hit I on the keyboard to make this event invert. So here we want to say if a snake's head is not overlapping any spot, that means it's out of the play area, then here we want to call a new function that we want to create. So just click on this group and hit B button and then hit F button, and I'm gonna call the function change snake pose. Alright, now let's call this function here, function change snake pose. Okay, let's go ahead and change the position of the snake's head in here. So let's copy this event and paste it here and hit B button, double click system and say if move direction is equal to right, then hit B button, and here we want to pick leftest spot on the same row. So for saying that the spot is on the same row of the snake, so double click spot and compare y if is equal to snake.y. So copy and paste it, and here we want to say pick the leftest one. So pick lowest my x, that means the leftest one, and here we want to move the snake's head to that position. Spot.x and spot.y. Okay, let's run the game and see it's working or not. Okay, as you can see, our right direction is working very well, but we need to add 4 other directions. So let's just copy and paste this and change right to left and change lowest my x to highest and copy paste for up, and change compare x is equal to snake's x and up highest my y, and copy paste for down, and let's just change this to lowest my y. Okay, let's go ahead and change the move rate to something like 0.2 seconds to make the snake move faster. So let's run the game and see how it looks. Alright, down is good, left and up, very good. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to create foods and make the score system. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.